Here we go. We're videoing now. Where are all the babies? Just one thing about videoing this way is you can't zoom in. Who have you got? A little girl?
Mm-hmm.
So is that one got a collar on?
Yeah, she's got a pink collar.
That's Althena, or something like that. I've already got a text this last night or this morning to. Uh-oh, we woke the babies up. Bring her here and let me trim her toenails and put a different collar on her.
Okay. Come on. This puppy is a little chillaxing. Doesn't mind very much.
All these puppies have a really laid back personality. Whoa, well, we better not Dremel like that. Ooh, you guys hadn't been Dremeled in several days. I was just over there attacking me.
They like my sleeves.
Oh my gosh, talk about chilled. I wish all my puppies were this chilled. I have never heard the expression, what did you say, chilling and relaxing together? I've never heard that. It's a new one for me. You guys gonna get to go to the fair and look at the animals?
I hope so.
It's going on right now.
Yeah, we decided we're going to go next month to the Benton County.
Oh, okay.
We'll have a bunch of rides and stuff up there.
Right.
Friend is going in the pilot show
In the Madison County one? Oh, the Benton. Oh, okay. My goodness, I have never had a puppy so calm and chilled and relaxed. You are beautiful.
This puppy is
He is too. Look how relaxed. And I think we'll put all these into therapy work. These are amazing. Okay, I don't want to get in the video because I have got my morning
he's just
roll out of bed look on. I rolled out of bed. Now these two boys,
like when I know
I need to get a video for Ryan of these two boys. Yeah, let me put a blue collar on that boy because we hadn't decided for sure where he's going.
find your spot. No on me.
Okay, the big red girl that doesn't have a collar on right now is Maddie. So let me.
Stop kicking. Stop kicking.
I'm thinking about flying her to California,
This one.
but I got to make up my mind because I've got to book my flight if I go. Oh my gosh. So be careful, just be real gentle with him, sissy. Be real.
Yeah. This one isn't so heavy. The one over there in the trash.
Here we go.
It's not even up to work.
Oh yeah, this is gonna be a nice big dog right here. This is Maddie's girl. It's gonna be a nice big dog. Okay, here. This is Althea, or Althena, something. You know Hannah Bears. I've got two girls back there. They're this chilled and this relaxed and
one of them wasn't me.
They're not all this way, trust me.
I know.
You've seen me dremel enough nails to know. Of course, I'm not hurting them. If you get it back in the quick and it hurts them, that's not fair to want them to set.
I think Kimberly likes it better than the snipping, but
I hate the snipping.
she hates it too.
So as careful as I am with the snipping, sometimes now I'll do a little human fingernail.
This one is so wicky.
Yeah. So I had my girls, when they get their C-section, a lot of times their nails will be a little long because when they're almost ready to deliver, they're so big. I don't want to waller them around, do their nails. And I still quick them. They're laying there, passed out, and I still sometimes quick them. See you. You think you know where you're at, and you don't. With those guillotines. Yeah, they need some wallering. So Tim said this morning, oh, the puppies need some wallering. They're pretty good puppies. But he's right. It's been a while since they've had some wallering. I've got William sitting with those two older girls at the milk barn. I think. I think he is.
I think he is. You're just like a little bear. Oh, I just love you. I love you. I love you, little bear. Little bear. He says, and I don't love you, and I don't appreciate that one bit. You'll learn to like it. The problem, you're just fat as a town dog, like your mommy. She's got such good milk. She's nursing them still 4 times a day. You're just old enough to be weaned. You're going to get weaned whether you like it or not, little man. You're going to get weaned. Mwah. Now look at that one just cuddled up and went to sleep in your lap.
That tickles so much.
And that was going to carry off your shoe. So the way I tell these two brindle boys apart, this one has a little tiny white on his foot. Oh my gosh, these are sweet babies. I did his nails, didn't I? Yeah, I did. Let me put Athena. I don't know why anybody named dog Athena, but I think that's her name. I don't think there's an L in it. I think it's Athena. What was Rachel's friend's name?
Would you be
I
still?
forgot.
You stop wrestling.
Her name was, she roomed with her in college. Her name was Athea. That was her name, Athea. Well, I don't, Athena. I'm pretty sure that's what it said. Yes, Athena. I'm pretty sure that's what it said.
I've got 3 dogs.
Oh, yeah, they will. That's why I wear shoes. Let's put a blue collar on that boy. Oh, you've got the boy over there. Here, let me turn the camera. He's just went to sleep in your arms, hadn't he?
Just about.
Let's see what I've got. Well, I got a red already cut. We'll use this red collar for him just so I can distinguish who he is.
Man, stupid tickling. Fine. You win. I'm sorry. You won.
So, yesterday, so those puppies are only 2 days old. They were born Tuesday. It was the first day Willow, she loves balls, and she picked this ball up and she got in the box with me, and her mouth was open. But I didn't see the ball. And I thought, something's wrong with my dog. Her mouth is wedged open. And Tim's over here, and he getting a little hysterical. And she's not liking me. I'm like, hey, something's wrong with her. Something's wrong with my dog. Her mouth is just wedged open. Now they're so little they're not even. We can't really correct it too much for fussing right in there. And he goes, Sonia, has a ball in her mouth. I go, okay. I thought she had locked jaw or something. This is crazy. What's wrong with my dog? Oh.
Did I tell you about the video I saw yesterday?
No.
Two dogs were playing fetch at a pond with a tennis ball, and they were throwing it from the pond. And anyway, a fish caught their ball. And so one of the dogs caught the fish.
Oh my
And
gosh.
swam with it, carried it all the way up onto the
Oh my
beach,
gosh.
dropped the fish down, and there had a tennis ball in its
Oh,
mouth.
that's funny. Now that's a video you'd never see again.
Probably not.
Okay, Athena. Did I do your nails? Let me put my glasses back on. I can't tell. I think I did yours the other day. Yeah, I did yours a couple days ago. So do their nails, their feet, you know how we handle their feet and separate their toes and lay them on their little backs. You are gorgeous. Oh, gorgeous. Oh, she says, no, I'm not sure. I want to lay on my back. I'm not sure. I'm not so sure about this laying on my back thing.
This one isn't
I'm not so sure about this laying on my back thing. Maybe this is the one Tim picked up and said, they're feral. They're feral. They're feral. We need to love on them some more. No, he doesn't look very feral. He's asleep in your arms.
Yeah, he said it'll be Oh, he said, no.
Nope, I've had enough. I've had enough of that back sleeping. I sleep on my belly, thank you very much.
This one's like,
Let me pick
wow.
up both of those brindles. So this is Athena.
Oh, all by yourself.
And that's the red boy down there.
Okay. Buddy.
Yeah, today I'd like to move. I've got to get gravel out in their pen, and I'm going to open the door. Well, I probably won't today. It's going to be 90 degrees, but did you hear the weather's supposed to break
Yeah.
again, which I'm so happy.
Yeah.
And
Some
then
rain.
Yes, some rain and some cooler weather. That's the huge thing. Look at this weather.
So, on the 17th, I'm having my birthday party.
Oh, I saw that. I thought your birthday was the 14th.
My birthday is the 18th, but my friend has church that day, so they can help her. So it's better on the 17th.
Uh-huh. Let's get a 10-day forecast here. Ooh, 64% rain tomorrow, Friday. Yes, 85, 82, 83, 82, 78 next Tuesday. Oh yeah, baby, it's what I'm talking about.
Sophia's over late. She does not
But I
have
want to go
SPT.
swim. I haven't got to swim at the lake this year.
We got to go swimming twice. Once in a tiny pool, once in like shallow. In like for one time. It should matter. I want to go swimming.
Oh, I forgot one more thing. I was soaking this up. I was soaking where I whelped puppies. It's just hard to get this stuff out of them.
These pups really went on that dog.
Yeah.
I want to see them first.
So it should be a long schedule.
I know, but they come at a time.
Oh.
Okay, baby, that's Maddie, or no, that's Athena.
That's Maddie.
Oh, that's Maddie. Sorry.
chewing on my shin.
Let me run get this stuff I'm gonna put in this laundry. I'm trying to soak off all this.
Yeah, like a picture. Don't be crying.
I know. She can't show the touch the whole thing.
Please don't be crying. Have a picture. Yeah.
I put it in the floor.
Here, good baby. What can I get you here? Wonder who's the biggest one? I think, yeah. That one.
You just be next.
Stop tickling my faces. So,
Yes, dear.
uh, also, the other dog that was bigger was really upset that we were playing with these dogs. Why?
Because you're going to get into it if you don't like it. Put it down. Put it down. Yeah.
The biggest dog. The dog.
So years ago when I worked at the turkey plant, we had blood all over, even though we wore aprons, when we had to wear white pants and shirt. So I had this big trash can and it was full of a solution that they gave me the recipe for, and I never, my clothes were always pristine. I always got the blood out of them.
Yeah.
I just forgot the recipe. 'Cause that stuff, when you whelp puppies, that stuff that comes out, blah, 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 blah. It's green and it's brown and it's yucky. It's so gross. Not, I mean, they're clean. These are these special. Now these guys I don't use in my everyday. These are only whelpings.
Oh, sorry.
No, it's okay.
I got them all mixed up then.
Yeah. I will throw it in there. Cause see, they're bigger. The small ones
Right.
are too small to get a puppy dry.
Okay.
So I get these when they have them from this place called Restore.
Oh, yeah.
Restore up in just south of Branson. And I get them, I don't even know, I think they're 50 cents a wash bag. Maybe less. But anyway, if you ever need me to pick you up any. And then these hand towels I get for, they're 50 cents a hand towel too. And sometimes they have towels, and they did last time. I got Dr. Ron a whole bunch for. Now that's a small one. I got some. They're big enough for a big person. I mean, they were like.
Right.
And for kennel towels, you know, and I think they're $2 a towel. But this stuff comes out of. Chateau on the Lake. That's
sure.
really nice when they get rid of their stuff.
Yeah.
And it's a ministry. It's some kind of thrift store, some kind of ministry. I don't know.
They do Habitat for Humanity.
Maybe.
There's one in Fayetteville too.
Yeah. I haven't been in a long, long, long time. But this Core Restore, they're connected with the good hotels. They are connected, let me tell you. Oh, and then they have stuff like this too. They have cooking things and anything you think of that they just get rid of. So they have 24 skillets or 24 coffee makers, or they get rid of all this stuff.
Sure.
Plates and cups, and maybe somebody was starting out and they needed that kind of stuff.
Right.
So,
You're chewing on my couch. No, we need the naughty puppy eliminator here.
Is that one over there in the corner?
So what, honey?
last night,
Yes.
Cookie, I let Cookie in our room or whatever, and I let her on our bed.
Uh-oh, look out.
Well, and she got all comfortable, and I was like, yes, there's a room, and then she stuck out her foot, and I'm like, nope, you can sleep on the bed tonight, I'm sleeping on the floor. And then later, when I finally got all comfortable, then Ella shooed Cookie out of the room.
Yeah. That's why we don't let dogs in the bed. They'll
No.
kick you out and steal your pillow.
We don't let dogs in the bed.
No, let the dogs in the bed. Okay, my puppy's decided it's time to nurse Mercy. So I'm gonna give their mother. Are you their mother? And usually they're not always exactly at 10, but that is supposed to be. I did him at 2:30 this morning, which was 2. I like having a newborn baby.
Uh-huh.
I think it's been so many years since I had children, I forgot nursing. The first one I put in bed with this. The second one I didn't do that.
No, I could never sleep with them in bed.
Well, we had a full-size bed, and here I am, big and pregnant, with my second one, with one in the bed and a husband in the bed. I said, this second one ain't coming in the bed with us. And she didn't. She was good to stay home.
There you go.
So Lillian said she's gonna start a girls' Bible study, or I don't know if she's starting it or going to it or what, on Wednesday after school. So, good. You're their mommy.
There is no.
But she comes and works for me Wednesday after school. You still gotta come work for me Sunday, cause I, without Lily, without my other Lily. Keep her house clean.
I'll keep these out of the way. Probably. Sure, I don't want to be over there. Great.
Yeah.
That's so long.
She won't bother me. Come here. She's
Well, we
had
figured they
puppies.
would bother her.
Yeah, but I mean, she's had puppies before. I don't think she's heard from.
Oh, Jeff.
Good, mommy. I'll be in there in just a minute. Let me put this dropper up. Did I tell you she had a dozen?
Wow. All right, you go looking for
Actually, wait till I get back over there, cause that, yeah, sometimes they get fussy about being